What's up, team? Fullest, this is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I want to try the aloe vera hair mask for my daughter. But where I live in Holland. Some of you guys know I live in a really small village in Holland. They don't have a store where you can buy those big aloe vera plants that I see some of my American YouTubers buy. We don't have store like that, so I always have aloe vera plants at home. So sometimes I do cut from the plants and to make little hair mask for myself or for my daughter. So today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. I have this aloe vera in my living room, so I'm going to cut one piece of the aloe vera, just a little bit of hair mask for my daughter. So the ingredient I'm going to be using one aloe vera, honey. I already have a little bit of aloe vera in the container, so I just add more. I'm going to use honey and coconut oil for my daughter's hair. Her hair is very the hair is not dirty, but her hair is very dry at the moment, so I want to try something new on her hair to just make her hair feel a little bit alive, a little bit healthy. It's very dry at the moment. So what I'm just going to cut the aloe vera into pieces and use a spoon to remove the gel out of it. Sometimes I do buy the big aloe vera plant and cut it off and remove the gel, but this time I can't find the bigger plants, and also we are in a lockdown. The shops are closed, the plant stores are closed, so I'm just going to have to use the one I have in my living room. So I'm just going to take a spoon and remove the gel. Even though the plant wasn't that big, I got quite enough gel, to be honest. I got quite enough gel, so I'm just going to make sure I take the gel off, and then I'm going to be blending it into my blender. Also mix it with honey. Honey is very good for conditioner for your hair. Honey is very good for moisturizing, make sure your hair stay conditioner, your hair stays shining, and I really love that. I really love honey. And also coconut oil is one of my favorite hair products, not only for hair but for skin as well. I love coconut oil. I always have coconut oil in my kitchen. I use it to cook, so I'm always having coconut oil. So I'm just going to make sure I peel all of the aloe vera. It's a very tiny plant, so it's very slippery. It's very sleepy, but you guys can see the gel is so thick. It's really nice. I really love it. It's so beautiful. I really love it, and it feels really good on her hair. I'm going to, when we are done with the lockdown, now we are having a lockdown. So when the lockdown is done, I am going to be going to the plant store to see if I can get a bigger plant of aloe vera, and I'm going to be trying this recipe more on her hair because I love the way her hair feels after I was done. So that this is the gel I was able to get out of that little plant. So now I'm going to take honey. I'm going to take some honey. You can take, it depends on how much your hair is, how long your hair is, or how short your hair is. Then you can know how much spoon of ingredients to add. But I'm just going to add 2 spoons of honey. And the coconut oil, it's not melted. If you want, you can melt the coconut oil before adding it, but I'm just going to be leaving it like that because the house is a little bit warm. I feel like with the room temperature it's going to get melt easily. I normally put the coconut oil in the fridge because I don't want it to like melt, because yeah, sometimes the kids will think it's something to play, so I always hide it. So I'm putting like 2 or 3 spoons of coconut oil if it's melted, but you just watch what product is good for your hair and what amount is good for your hair as well, because everyone's hair is different. For her hair is not that really much. This was perfect. It was the perfect amount for her hair. It's just something to like give her hair a little bit of life, make her hair feels good. So now I'm going to just turn everything into my blender. Make sure the blender is closed. I'm gonna turn everything and just blend everything really nice, and I really love it. I don't do this all the time, but I love these three ingredients. I saw this recipe on YouTube and I wanted to try it from another YouTuber with the coconut oil and honey. So I wanted to try this. This is my first time trying out this particular recipe with these three ingredients. I wanted to try something different. So, and I really love it. I really love the way it feels on her hair. So now this is what the product is looking at, all mixed. So now I'm going to the bathroom to do it on my daughter's hair. This is my daughter. Her hair is very dry. We have like an old protective hairstyle. So what I did is I put the products in a spray bottle because she's little, and I don't think it's going to be that easy to take it from the container and put it into her hair. So I thought, let me just put it in a spray bottle and easily spray it on her hair. She didn't really like it, like when you are spraying the water touching her skin, she does not like it. But yeah, I just have to talk to her to stand, so we do it very fast, so she can go and sit down and watch movie. So I'm just going to spray. I'm not even going to focus on detangling. Later I'm going to detangle the hair a little bit with my hand, but I'm not going to focus on detangle her hair right now at the moment. I always detangle her hair with conditioner because I don't really like to comb the hair or try to do anything to the hair when the hair is dry. I always make sure the hair is wet before I detangle it, or put a lot of conditioner into her hair and then detangle it, because then detangle process is a little bit easier and she's not feeling any pain, because when the hair is wet and you have a lot of conditioner in the hair, it makes the detangle process very easy. But I'm also going to try to do a little bit of finger combing. But right now I'm not just focusing detangle, I'm just focusing getting the product into her hair. Make sure the hair is soaked with the products and massage the products into her hair, and then wrap her hair with a plastic bag and a towel. Allow the product to like soak into the hair. Let her sit down and watch some movie. So I'm just going to slightly detangling with my hand, not too much, just a little bit, so that the hair doesn't get tangled. But I'm not like focusing on detangling, but I'm just gonna do it a little bit with my finger. For some of you guys who have been following me for a very long time, maybe you guys can remember my daughter. I cut her hair like 2 years ago. I did big chop, almost 3 years now. I did big chop for her, and this is how far her hair has grown. I have been trying my best to do a lot of DIY, not to put so much chemical onto her hair. A lot of DIY, mostly deep conditioner. I try to make it myself. I try to make my own deep conditioner at home, and so far the hair is looking very good. So now I'm just going to try to wrap the hair and then put a plastic bag on top of her hair. She didn't like it because the gel was dropping on her face, and she's like, my body's getting soaked. She didn't really like it, but that's why I'm going to put a towel on top so that she doesn't need so that the water of the gel the aloe vera doesn't end up dropping on her all the time. So I'm just gonna let her. And she had this on her hair for like 3 to 4 hours because she was watching movie and I was cooking and cleaning the house. So she had it on for a pretty long time. And then after, I'm just going to wash the hair, detangle the hair. So this is what the hair is looking like after washing the product out. I haven't put any product into her hair. This is just her natural hair curls. So this is her hair. As you guys can see, this is how long her hair is since I did big chop like 3 years or 2 years ago now. This is how long her hair is. This is the finished result, guys. I hope you all like this. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.